let's take a look at the Nexus Ride. Now this is the Nexus Ride Extreme dual motor prostate vibrator. Because of its large size, we wouldn't recommend this for a beginner and would recommend this for a more advanced user or expert. It features a body-safe silicone material for optimal comfort during use. The shaft is slightly flexible, as you can see, and it also features stimulating knobs at the base for extra stimulation during use. Now it has two powerful deep vibrating motors, one in the shaft itself and one in the base for dual stimulation of the prostate and perineum. It comes with a wireless remote control that works up to 8 meters away, so great for couples or for solo use as well. It's simple and easy. There are buttons at the bottom. Simply click on the bottom one, a green light will appear. This means it's in standby mode. Click once more and the shaft vibrations have begun. Click on that same button to change the vibrations. For the base, click on the top button. Click on that same button and you can enjoy experimenting with the vibrations together. To use in combination with the remote control, push and hold down for a few seconds and it appears the vibrations have stopped. Click on the right button just there and both of them have started again. To turn it off, push and hold down on that power button and the vibrations have now stopped. Just ensure the standby button has gone off and then it's off. It is rechargeable, so just use your magnetic USB charging cable provided. Simply attach the dots together like so and it can be recharged for you. It is waterproof, so it's safe to use in the bath or shower alone or with a partner. When using this toy, we'd highly recommend to use it in combination with a water-based lubricant. Make sure to clean after every use with toy cleaner and lukewarm water. For more information on the Nexus Ride, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time.